Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on your personal computer. Among Us is a popular social deduction game where players work together to complete tasks or secretly eliminate crewmates. Playing on PC offers a more immersive experience with a larger screen and precise keyboard controls. You can easily purchase and download the game through the Steam platform, typically for around $5. Get ready to uncover imposters or skillfully deceive your friends. To begin, simply open the Steam client on your computer. Navigate to the store section and use the search bar to find Among Us. Once located, you can purchase the game for a modest price, usually about $5. After your purchase is complete, click the Install button. The game will then download and install automatically, preparing you for your first mission. Once in the game, movement is intuitive using the W, A, S, and D keys on your keyboard. To interact with tasks or report bodies, simply press the E key or click with your mouse. The Tab key will bring up your map, showing your current location and pending tasks. During emergency meetings, you will use the in-game chat to discuss suspicions and vote, making communication key to victory. From the main menu, select Online to access game lobbies. You can choose Find Game to join a public match with other players from around the world. Alternatively, create a private game and share the unique four-letter code with your friends for a more personal experience. Whether you are a diligent crewmate completing tasks or a cunning imposter sabotaging and eliminating, teamwork and deception are at the heart of Among Us.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.